A blank or unresponsive Honeywell Thermostat display can instantly stop your heating or cooling system from working properly. In many cases, the screen goes dark without warning, leaving the system completely unresponsive. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Honeywell Thermostat display that is not working, including the most common reasons behind the issue and simple troubleshooting steps you can do at home. Most of the time, this is not a major fault and can be fixed without calling a technician. The goal here is to help restore your thermostat display step by step, so your system starts working again without unnecessary service costs. When the display is not working, the first thing to look at is the power source. Many Honeywell thermostats run on batteries, even if they are hardwired. Start by replacing the batteries with fresh ones, and then make sure the thermostat is properly seated back on its wall mount. A loose connection here can easily cause the screen to go blank. After that, move to the circuit breaker because power interruption from the electrical panel is another common reason. Check the HVAC or furnace breaker and see if it has tripped. If it is off, switch it completely off and then turn it back on. If it keeps tripping again, that usually points to a deeper electrical issue, and you should stop troubleshooting at that point. If the breaker looks fine, the next thing to check is the furnace power switch. This switch is usually located near the furnace or air handler and looks just like a normal light switch. Make sure it is turned on because it is very easy for it to get switched off by mistake during maintenance or cleaning. Next, you should check the furnace door safety switch. The furnace panel needs to be fully closed for the system to work properly. If the door is even slightly open or not secured properly, the thermostat may lose power and the display can go blank. Another important point is the low voltage fuse inside the HVAC control board. Some systems use a small fuse, usually 3 amps or 5 amps. If this fuse is blown, the thermostat will not receive proper power. If it needs replacement, make sure the new fuse has the same rating as the original one. You should also look at the air filter because a dirty or clogged filter can cause overheating in the system. When this happens, safety features may shut the system down, which can also affect the thermostat display. Replacing a blocked filter can often bring things back to normal. After that, check the drain pan and overflow safety switch inside the indoor unit. If there is water buildup in the drain pan, the overflow switch may shut the system off to protect it. In that case, clearing the drain line can help restore normal operation. It is also important to check the thermostat wiring, especially the C-wire connection. A loose or missing C-wire can directly cause a blank display. Make sure the thermostat is firmly seated on its base and check for any visible loose wiring connections. If everything still looks fine, try resetting the thermostat. Depending on the model, you can use the reset option from the settings menu or the built-in reset function. This can help fix small software glitches or temporary issues causing the screen to go blank. Some Honeywell thermostats also dim the display or go into sleep mode. In this case, check the brightness settings or screen timeout options. You can also try tapping the screen or pressing buttons to see if the display wakes up. If the display is still not working, the issue could be that the HVAC system is not sending power to the thermostat. This can happen if there is a transformer issue or if the system is not delivering the required 24-volt power, which means the thermostat is not receiving electricity. Finally, if none of these steps work, it may be time to call a professional. If the breaker keeps tripping, the fuse keeps blowing, there is no voltage reaching the thermostat, or the display is still blank after all checks, then the issue is likely deeper and needs expert attention. That's it for this video on how to fix a Honeywell thermostat display that is not working. I hope this step-by-step troubleshooting guide helps you figure out the issue and get your thermostat screen working again without unnecessary hassle. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech troubleshooting guides like this. If you have any questions, or if one of these steps worked for you, leave a comment below. I'd really like to know what fixed it in your case. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.